Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how to adjust the position of the steering wheel. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Now there was a facelift in 2021, but I believe this remained the same. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. If you look on the left side from the steering wheel, you will see like a small black lever. Now what you want to do, you want to push this lever all the way down and this will unlock the steering wheel. One advice before you do this, make sure to do it while the vehicle is parked and ideally turned off, because the steering wheel will be completely loose and you don't want to be driving while doing this. So just press it down and now I will show you. Now you can move the steering wheel up or down, or you can pull it in or out. See, in or out. You can find the ideal position for yourself while you're driving based on your height, arm length, and things like that. Once you're happy with the position of the steering wheel, you want to make sure to pull this lever all the way back up to lock the steering wheel in place. And of course, before driving, you want to make sure the steering wheel is nice and tight and it's not moving anymore. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.